In Metrix Academy Video 15, we have successfully funded a liquidity pool. In this video, we are going to bring back all the MRX into our Altitude wallet. We will follow 3 steps introduced in Video 15. Step 1. From Liquidity Pool to MetaMask. Visit the LP website. Then click Remove Liquidity. Select both. There are 2 other options, either to convert all into BNB or all into MRXB. Some swapping fee applies. Click on the BNB amount. Both BNB and MRXB values are inserted accordingly. This will remove 100% of the fund. The line bar is at 100%. You may drag the line anywhere in between the ends if you want to withdraw partially. Click Remove Liquidity button. Then, click Approve. MetaMask appears, and click Confirm. Then click Close. Our fund has safely removed from the pool. Let's check MetaMask balance. Both BNB and MRXB have arrived. Step 2. From MetaMask to MRX Swap Wallet. Go to swap.metrixcoin.com and click Sign Message. When MetaMask appears, click Sign. When in BSC Mainnet, click Swap. Click this drop-down menu to select MRXB. MRX is automatically selected at the other menu. We are going to withdraw all. Enter all the MRXB amount here. Note the small network processing fee for this transaction. It will be deducted from the total amount. Click this box if agree, and then click Swap Now. Click Confirm, and then click Confirm on MetaMask. The transaction was accepted. Copy this hash, we need it later. Then click Close. Click Finalize Unwraps. Enter the hash we copied just now here. The hash can also be copied from BSC Scan. Then click Confirm. Unwrapped MRX amount will be shown after several confirmations. Step 3. From MRX Swap Wallet to MRX Wallet. Click Withdraw. Enter the receiving MRX address and the amount to withdraw. And click Confirm. MetaMask appears. Click Sign. Withdrawal was successful. Click Confirm. When MetaMask appears, click Sign. Let's go to Altitude Wallet. Yes, the MRX has arrived.